So the proper way to do a door panel removal is using the specialty tools. Dale went out and got this awesome kit by Cornwall, and that's how you professionally do it. You know, I'm just using a butter knife or a screwdriver.
I broke my butter knife's cutting that frame out.
That's right. That's the proper way to do it. It's a really nice kit for anybody who does any interior work. You get everything you need.
Well, actually, we have two kits here. I bought this from Matco first, and then come out. Cornhole had a better one, more pieces.
Yes, by far. And look how easy they made that. Took everything right off. So yeah, that's what it's like to install a window regulator when you have the right tool to get the job done correctly. In a Chevy Volt.
I got this right here, bud.
See, the tool even has a special deal. If you want to show them that particular one you're using there, Dale.
It's got a little butter knife here.
And that's what gets all the goop, so that way you can reuse it.
I think this is supposed to be up here.
Probably, you know.
Some way.
And then there you have your window regulator peeking behind there. See how much easier that makes that? Holy cow. So much more professional. Like they say, gotta have the right tool for the job.
It's pretty special.
So we had to grab a 10mm to take off the bolts out of the window itself.
Looks like it wants to be all the way at the top.
And then he's going to have this bolt here, that bolt there,
Oh, okay.
and that bolt that down there.
There goes that. This one don't even have.
So these are the bolts you got to take off to do it.
Just makes it easier.
And there you have it. The window slides out.
Wasn't even connected.
Wow. And that's how you take out the window regulator. Just that simple with the right tools. Dale actually makes the job look really simple, I would say. But when you have the right tool, it does very much help.
Can't do it without this pry bar.
Yes, let's see. Show the YouTubers that pry bar you got there. Look at that. Yep, they make them that small. Could be used for a knife, screwdriver, basically everything you need, all in that little tool.
Fix the bolt in the hole.
Well, ain't that a bitch? So the plug does not fit into the window regulator connector, which is bolts up correctly except for the plug. So now we got to figure that part out.
Yeah.
All right, so with small modifications, we had to do something with the plug, and so Dale was able to take care of that quickly, and now we're putting it back in. Ain't that just nice?
Wow.
Oops. Now replacing the door panel back on.
Not quite yet.
Voila.
A little bit of Windex there, and
Should be like brand new again. Now he's putting the inner sound dampener, moisture dampener back in. And this is actually the first time we've done a window regulator on a Volt. I know it looks like it was all staged, but truly it wasn't. Everything just kind of goes together right. You know, when you have the right tool and the right technician doing the job here at Turn 4 Automotive. As you can see, he made it look very simple. Most places, you know, they always pre-stage it. You know what I mean, Dale?
oh, that's right, bud. Take the parts loose before you start the video.
Exactly what they do. Make it look like it was all easy. We actually do it as it's happening. We give it to you live as it goes. All right, so the Chevy Volt is done. Window regulator is in, and we just parked it outside here. So yeah, so definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like for the notifications, so you get all the new and latest stuff that we do here at Turn for Automotive. To let you know what's coming up here next week, we are doing another lift kit. You got it, another lift kit on a 2013 Chevy Tahoe. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, so that way you know when we're doing cool stuff such as a lift kit. All right, so I'll talk to you later, and hope you enjoyed the show.